Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create account in Anime Planet. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open up your web browser and search for Anime Planet. Then visit the Anime Planet website and click on the Sign Up button at the top. You'll be asked to enter a username and your email address. Next, choose a secure password and make sure to accept the terms and conditions. After that, complete the CAPTCHA to confirm you're not a robot and then click on Create Account. Now, check your email inbox for a verification link from Anime Planet. Open the email and click on the link to activate your account. That's it. For even easier access, you can also choose to sign up using your Facebook or Twitter account if you prefer social login options. And that's it. So that's basically how you can create an account in Anime Planet. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.